Okay, hi YouTube, Mr. Boss here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you literally the cheapest MP3 player you've probably ever seen. So this thing was literally $1.96, and that's including free shipping from China and a year of warranty. Now when you actually consider that, I think it's just ridiculous. So I mean, the actual MP3 player looks just like an iPod Shuffle. It's actually built very well, and it's actually made out of metal. It has a micro USB port and a micro SD card slot, which is pretty much unheard of at this price. It has a gold plated MP3 socket, so you can put all your headphones and earphones in, and you can even connect it to some speakers if you want to do that. The buttons feel, well, not the best, but you know, for this price it's just incredible what they've done. It also has a clip, so you can attach it to a belt or a buckle, or you know, just to whatever, even a shirt if you just don't want it to fall off. So when you turn it on, there's actually a nice notification LED on the left. Button's a little stiff at the minute, but you know, I'm sure that'll ease up after a bit of use. So now we're just going to test the sound quality. So what I'm going to do is plug the MP3 player into probably my favourite wireless speaker of all time, and that is the Ultimate Ears Boom. Now, being a very, very good speaker, hopefully if there are any bottlenecks with the sound quality, you should be able to tell. So I'm just going to play a couple of royalty-free tracks, and you know, we're just going to see whether the sound quality sounds as good as it should from a speaker of this caliber. So let's just stick it down and get the angle right, and yeah, here we go. So that quick sound test should be enough to justify this MP3 player's existence. I mean, it produces incredibly good sound. I mean, there's absolutely no bottleneck. It sounds as good as, you know, my Samsung Galaxy S5. There's absolutely no difference, and that's just amazing for something at this price. I've left the link in the description.